Nasayang na naman ang pera at oras ko sa formulation na to. Ano bang mali?
Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. You have probably spent hours mixing ingredients and following online recipes, hoping for that perfect product. But let's be honest, it usually ends up as a frustrating mess. Minsan, it separates, or worse, it could even be unsafe. Why? Because formulating is not just about mixing. It's about knowing the right chemistry and understanding ingredients. You need to learn the science behind it para hindi nasasayang ang ingredients at oras mo, lalo na ang pera mo. If you want to stop the guessing game and start creating products that are safe and effective, my upcoming professional hands-on training in skincare formulation is for you. This is your chance to learn from a cosmetic chemist and naturopath and build a strong foundation. So to you, future formulator, don't quit on this journey. You just need proper education and guidance. Remember this and this. Send me a message to reserve your spot.